Welcome, in front of me is a BUSH Spira B5 and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode on the device. So number one, you want to hold the power key and select power off, like so. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you then want to hold power key and volume down. So power and volume down, both keys at the same time. And when you see the boot mode, you can let go. So right here, let go. And using volume down only, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode. So right here, and press volume up to confirm it. Now when you see the no command, you want to press or hold power key and press volume up. So holding power key and press up, and we're now in the recovery mode. So in this mode you can use both volume keys to navigate, so volume down goes down and volume up goes up. And as you can see, you can reboot the system, which just goes back to Android, reboot the bootloader, apply updates, wipe data, wipe cache partition, and just simply power off the device. Now whatever is selected, if you want to accept whatever is selected, you just press power key. So as an example, I'll just reboot the system to leave this mode. So once selected, power key, and it performs that selection. And you can see we're back in the Android. So that is how you would access and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.